Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from MEXC to Metamask Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC mobile application and then you need to provide your login credentials and you simply need to log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I will put the link of it down in the description so that you could get up to 8,000 USDT as a sign up bonus. Now, once you are in your MEXC account, simply tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner and select the option of Withdraw. Over here, you need to select USDT and then select the option of On-Chain Withdrawal. Now, once you see this type of form in front of you, first of all, you need to provide the withdrawal address which you are going to get from your Metamask wallet. So you need to open your Metamask wallet and select USDT, and you need to first of all select the network and then select USDT and then tap on the receive option and you will see your QR code as well as the deposit address. Once you are able to find that address, you need to simply provide it over here. In the network, you need to select the same network that you have selected in your Metamask wallet. In the withdrawal quantity, you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw, and then in the remarks section you can just provide the reason of your transaction. You can even skip it because it is optional. Then tap on the confirm option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to review your details, make sure that everything is correct, and then you need to finally confirm your transaction. After the successful confirmation of your transaction, once it is completed successfully, you will get your USDT from your MEXC account to your Metamask wallet within just 5 minutes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you can let me know that in the comment section below and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching.